In this video, I am replacing a plectrum, which is a bird quill plectrum, because the previous plectrum was a bit weak and it was also hanging. I use these flat pliers to extract the previous quill, dispose of it, and then I have to shape the bird quill. First, I need to test it to make sure that it has the spring and strength that is necessary. Then, using the X-Acto knife, I shape it so that way the quill will slip smoothly yet firmly through the mortise of the jack. I cut along the grain of the quill, tapering it. You'll notice that there are two different colors. The darker color is the upper section of the quill. The bottom is the fat of the quill itself. I slide the quill through the mortise, and then I check the length on my voicing block, which I have scored to give it an approximate length of what the length of the plectrum should actually be. After I see that it is at least as long as it needs to be, I cut off the remaining section of the quill, leaving a little bit extended from the back of the jack's tongue. I check the length again on my voicing block, which I will then trim down a little bit, and my cut creates a slight angle at the very end. Now I will insert the jack into the register to see the length in relationship to the string. It appeared to be hanging, so now I will cut away some of the fat from the back. This is one of the wonderful things about working with bird quill. Removing the fat is how the quill itself is voiced. It is really quite a bit easier than actually working with modern materials such as Delrin and Celcon.